the wild mallard duck, otherwise simply known as a duck. Is it a bird or an egg-laying mammal? No one knows for sure. But most biologists do agree that these little Aflac spokesmen are the envy of the animal kingdom, as they can walk, swim, and fly. Plus, their mating rituals are second to none. Sit back and watch as the female woos the male with the duck version of twerking. Ducks are similar in nature to another animal featured on our show, the great blue heron. However, unlike the heron, a duck's feathers have evolved into an invisibility cloak, completely removing them from danger in the presence of a predator.